This video shows how to cable 6 stitches backward, or C6B. This technique is used in this headband, hat, and other patterns free at queenbee.com. Pick up the next 3 stitches on your cable needle and pull the 3 stitches to the back of your work. Knit the next 3 stitches. Knit the 3 stitches from your cable needle. The cable 6 backward is now complete. And again, pass the 3 stitches onto your cable needle and pull them to the back of your work. Knit the next 3 stitches. Knit the 3 stitches on your cable needle. And done. Quick tip. After cabling, slide the cable needle through the finished stitches to keep it handy, then continue with the pattern. You'll find links to the patterns in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.